Hi everyone, it's Ryan and Paula and Dixie with Camping with the Coast. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of 1 through 59 at Wilson State Park in Harrison, Michigan. Across the street, Paula Pan across the street, is a nice big fairground. Got it. This park is just outside of Harrison, Michigan. There's several restaurants, bars, gas stations, that type of thing. We've never been to this park before, but we were staying with friends nearby and drove through it earlier, and we thought it was a really nice park. We hope to get back to this place soon. The park is half under construction right now, so half the park, like 60 and above, is on renovation. I think we said there's 160 total sites here. We would like to show you this place. Here is a cabin. Looks like it's a rental cabin. So if you're with friends that don't have a camper, if you're lucky enough to book this baby, it looks amazing. You can see. But that place is super, super cool. It's on a lake, Long Lake. There's a nice swim area down at the end by the boat launch. This park looks like they've done a lot of work to it lately. A lot of stuff. The bathrooms look pretty modern. They had a big pile of stone down at the end, like they're going to be leveling up some spots in the renovation. A brand new house for the wood. Dumpsters. It's a long, skinny park. Runs along Long Lake, around the south side of Long Lake. That's our camper over there. We swung in. The playground equipment looks nice and new. A little bit of road noise. What you say, Paula? You definitely hear the traffic coming by. That's 127 Business out there. This park is only 2 hours north of Jackson, probably an hour and 15 north of Lansing. So if you wanted a nice little weekend trip, and the colors are changing in Michigan right now. We're getting some decent colors. Some of these spots, this is spot 1, right on the lake. It's got a nice gravel pack. It's a monster site. And if you have kids, that'd be right next to the playground. Rangers are busy. They're working on a lot of stuff here. I've never really seen this nice of a basketball court in a state park. Have you? Cornhole boards, tetherball, volleyball. Yeah, sand volleyball. Site 2, another spot overlooking the lake. Nice big spot. Site 3, a little shallower. You could definitely park a good sized camp, a nice big camper here with except for where's the electric on that? Wow, better bring an extra cord if you're on 3, but there is plenty of room for a camper and a truck. 4, even smaller. It's not very deep off the road, but it is another spot overlooking the lake. These sites are really, really nice, right across from the playground. Pardon?
We could get in there easily.
Yeah, if you're 30 foot or less, that's probably fine. 5, a little bit bigger, a little bit of sun, and nice and wide, nice and level, and it's overlooking the lake, like I said. We'll go into 6 here. There's nobody in it, and we'll look out over the lake real quick. So in our camper, the back window would be looking right over this hill at Long Lake. I'm telling you folks, if you don't camp in Michigan, it is flat beautiful. Like I said, they got a mini cabin at the end of the field area. Mini cabin looks new. The bathroom's over there. It looks pretty darn new, doesn't it, Paula? Probably hit that on the way back around. Here's 7. Nice big spot, shady. 8, a little tricky to get into. And there's a walkway right next to 8 that goes down to the lake. You can kind of see that path. Oh, 8's got a little, oh, it's actually 8's on both sides of the tree, so it's a big spot, and it's got a little deck that overlooks the lake. 9, not very level, but 9 looks like it might be a pull through. These pull throughs, yep. So yep, 9's a big spot, but it's not very level unless you're down by the road. Okay, 10 has a nice big motorhome on it, and they're not having any problems with level. That's 10. 11, another pulse through, very difficult for leveling there. But it's next to the water spigot. The wife likes that. 12, nice big deep spot overlooking the lake. Wow, that's a big spot. 12. This is 19. How'd we go to 19 anyway? It says 19. It's a big pull through. Right across from the bathroom. 20, pull through by the bathroom. These are a little bit better level than the other two next to them. 14, very difficult for leveling on 14 if you've got a long camper of any sort. 15, same thing. Not great for leveling. You see there's not many people here today. It's Sunday afternoon in late September. 16 is on the point. Oh, it's a nice spot. Not real big. What's this? 16. 22 is here. 22 is not the best on level either. A couple big rocks in the back. 23, it's all right. Not great for level, but workable. I mean, that's probably what a 20, low 20 size foot camper in there. It's got plenty of room. Ooh, I like this site here. What is this? 20. We'll uncover it. Well, that site is probably the best site I've seen in a long time. Yeah, it's 26. 26 is tucked in. You can't see your neighbors on either side. Huge spot with a rail that looks over the lake. This is big, level. You can park 2 campers in this spot. It's so huge. Once again, we think this is site 26. And you're looking right down the hill at the lake. Like I said, barely can see anyone around you, and then out to the lake or out to the road. 27's next, Paul, so I'm pretty sure it's 26. Nope, this is 26 up here. 26. The big nice spot must be 23. That must be 23 then. We really want to get this site number right. We apologize. It's covered in gravel. It's really hard to read. 23's up here. 18's there. Is that 23?
I can't. Where's the 23?
No, 23 is right there.
25?
24, 25. Okay, this may.
25.
This is site 25.
That
Sorry.
makes sense, 25.
And we'll show you what we're dealing with here. That's really hard to read.
And it's not on the electrical box either.
And it's not on the electrical box. So that's 25, that really nice spot, the big one. 26 and 26 is here. That's a nice big level spot. Not real deep though. Yeah, it is. It's really deep. All the way back there is the electrical box. 27. A little goofy with leveling, but they've got a camper in there now. It's doing all right. Look, overlooking the lake, another spot. So is 28. Nice big spot with views of the lake. Now we're getting into some sites that are close to the road. So that's 28. What's this? 29. 29's on this corner, and it's a really big spot. That's really deep and really big, and there's a fence along there. So if you had kids, this might be a good spot to give them a little more room. 31. Corner spot, really small. I mean, I don't even know if you can get a camper in here. 30, good deep spot, fairly level once you get it off the road. 32, big spot, but it is near the road. 33 across the street from the road. 34. Nice big spot. Looks like it could be wet if it rained. Here it looks a little soft. It's probably better back off the drive here. Which way should we go? That way or this way? This is 35. I think we should go in numerical order.
Yeah, but the arrow's going this way, so
Yeah,
we
this
have
is
to go
31.
around and come down.
Oh, this is 1 through 60 in this half. Well, these are going to be out of order a little bit. We apologize. 37. Outside. 38 is really not, I wouldn't want to be on that spot with a camper. It's right on the side of a hill. What's this, 39? 37, 36, 38. 38's a big corner spot, really deep. 40. Lots of room past it, but two big trees right here. This is 40. But you have to squeeze between two to get in there. And once you get in, it looks pretty level. 41. Not very level at all, 41. That'd be really tricky. And I'm not sure which fire pit goes to which site there. 42's on a hill overlooking the fairgrounds. I'm sure it's nice and level though. Good sized lot. Once again, the traffic out there, it's 127 business, so might be a little bad. 43, smaller camper. You are up on a hill. And it is nice in this park. It's nice rolling hills. 44, fairly level. It's workable.
Thank you for the building with that.
Yeah. 44 near fire pits over there. 45 is, oof, it's a big site, but half of it is this washed out hill part. So 45, you get, yeah, you can get in. It's not real deep though, because the other side on the other side's pretty close. This is 46. That's a nice deep spot. Across the street from the fairgrounds again. 47. Being an older park, it has a lot of big trees. Good canopy, good shade. 47's, oh boy, very tricky. We wouldn't have much fun with this. I don't know if you went in an angle. Okay, 48 has these big monster trees right in the middle of it, but if you go to the side here, you can angle it back in there. And then the table and the pit are way back. 49, nice big spot. Big tree. Big trees, but there's a big open spot in the middle for 49. 50, not real deep, but it is pretty flat. Get a medium-sized camper in there. 51. Besides the traffic, these are pretty nice spots along the road around, and there's a water spigot too,
Don't mind the traffic.
if you don't mind the traffic noise. 52 is not, it looks kind of low in the middle where that table's at. It's kind of low, and then it's got the bathrooms right behind there. 53, big spot, shady. Looks like there's a bus stop just across the fence out there. I'm gonna take a bus somewhere. 54. It's a little, falls off the road a little bit right here immediately, but then it's pretty flat back in there. 54 is. 55, good deep spot. Your front of your camper would be loaded with nice shade trees and a table, and your fire pit's right in the trees. 56. Kind of on a corner. It's a nice spot, nice and big. Might have trouble putting an awning in if you had to go in there too far. 57. Looks like a nice big spot. Nice and wide along the road here. It's like the state's planting bushes. I'm gonna make that noise from the traffic a little better. 58's a cool spot, but it's right on the end of the building, maintenance building. But from 58, you'd be looking out your camper down a ways before you see any other campers. 59 is really shallow. Fire pit right in the middle of the thing, right in the middle of the site. And that brings us up to the last one we're going to cover today, which should be 60.
You don't go down the middle.
Huh? No, we're not going to go over the middle. It's already a 17-minute video. So I got a whole bunch of trees they're planting here. Trees and bushes. That's awesome. Love it. All right, everybody. This is Ryan, Paula, Dixie. Say hi, Dixie. Say hi, Paula. And thanks for watching our videos. We'll talk to you later. See you next time.